Magnitude 4.7 earthquake, depth 8 kilometers, strikes Iceland on the 18th of March, 2024. Earthquake subject to change. On average, Iceland experiences around 500 earthquakes a week, or about 26,000 every year. Iceland is typically divided into 7 different geographical regions. Each region differs slightly regarding culture and landscapes, but all are uniquely Icelandic. The regions are South Iceland, East Iceland, North Iceland, the Westfjords, West Iceland, Reykjanes, and Reykjavík capital area. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.